Or they are going to test.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations
Been waiting for his test
West Kentucky,
for 2 hours.
Missouri,
I literally
Illinois,
just 2 minutes ago
Southwest Indiana,
turned this camera off because I figured they just weren't going to test today.
This concludes
And then they
the test
tested.
of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device.
Fuckers.
We now return to our regular programming.